Some users have shared that their Galaxy Buds 3 Pro earbuds are running into battery draining issues. In some cases, one earbud is discharging quicker and faster than the other. Well, stay tuned for some handy tricks to keep your earbuds battery life going strong. Now, first of all, I will let you know that the one side discharging faster can happen if you use the pinch and swipe gesture using mostly just one earbud. Also, if you have a lot of customized settings like 360-degree or custom equalizer, the battery will drain faster. Moreover, a powered-on LED will consume battery faster than you ever think. So especially when the battery is going down, you can just go ahead, pinch and hold the blades and turn off your LED. For the rest of the process, you can redirect yourself to the wearable app. Make sure your buds are connected to it. Now, first of all, we all know ANC consumes a lot of battery. Let me wear the buds. So when it's going down, you can turn the ANC off. And what you can do is select it to ambient and reduce the ambient sound. Next, enter auto switch to ambient sound. If voice or siren detection is on, the buds microphone will keep busy all the time, hence drain battery. So if you want, you can keep both of them turned off. Go back. After that, enter sound quality and effects. As I've told you, if 360 is turned on, you can turn it off if you want, especially when the battery is going down. And also, instead of using some custom equalizer, you can use the straightforward balanced one. Go back 2 steps and enter earbud settings. Enter read notification allowed. If reading notification is turned on for all the apps, you can just keep it turned on for selected and important ones. Also, if you want, you can keep the first option turned off to save your battery. Go back 1 step. If next stress reminder is turned on, it'll need the buds to constantly recalibrate to detect your position. So, since we're talking about battery draining, it's better if you keep it turned off. Go back, enter accessibility. Make sure the slider is balanced in the middle position. Otherwise, it will put pressure on one bud and will lose battery faster in that bud. And lastly, you know the drill, make sure there is no pending software update on your earbud, because update will always come with some bug fixes if that's the issue. And whenever your buds are not in use, make sure to keep the buds inside the charging case so that it can charge themselves. And these are the ways you can try to improve the battery life on your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Thanks for watching.